Happy Tuesday, everyone. This is Christian DeBouche, licensed real estate agent with Real Broker, and I help families buy and sell homes here in the Gulf Coast communities of Pinellas County. Now, if that's of interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete, and we can go over your options available here. Now, I want to bring to your attention two homes that have hit the market in the last 24 hours. Both of these homes sit on the canal and have access to the Gulf of Mexico. The first, up in the northern parts of Pinellas County in Dunedin, we have a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,670 square foot home listed with first class real estate Gulf to Bay, and Nadia Anak is the listing agent. This home sports its own in-ground pool, vaulted ceilings, a renovated boat lift, and it's on the market for $1,450,000. There is a lot to offer in this property. It's beautiful. You have access to a lot of shops and restaurants in Dunedin. I've been there personally. I love going there. My family has a lot of favorite restaurants there. Next, we have closer to me in Madeira Beach, we have a lovely 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,208 square foot property listed with Future Home Realty Inc. and Caroline Vorak is the listing agent. This home also sits on the canal. We have about 50 plus feet of waterfront, an elevated boat lift. It's been renovated on the inside, so you have lovely Florida architecture, classic Florida architecture on the outside, and you have an open floor plan, fully renovated on the inside. And this home, as I mentioned, listed for $975,000. And if these homes or any others on the market are of interest to you, and you want to know your options for buying on the Gulf, give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete, and I'd love to talk to you about what's available.